Chapter 5, set concept. First you have to understand what is sets. Collection of things. So many collection of things are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. That also one collection. 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. This also one collection. Height of children. This also one collection. Brilliant children group. That also one collection. Small in height children. That also one collection. Then expert teachers. Expert teachers. Okay. That also one collection. So many collections are there. But we can't say all collections are set. What is set? Well-defined collection. That is very important. Set definition, that is very important word. Well-defined collection. What is well-defined? Well-defined meaning when we will ask around the world anybody, the answer will come same answer. Then we can say that is a well-defined collection. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. These are natural numbers. This is a set. Here 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. If I will ask anybody what are the natural numbers, they will say these numbers only. Even numbers, they will say these numbers only. These are sets. Height children. If I will ask in our school, who are the height? Too much height in your class. Have different answers. Slightly height ways different, then also children we give different answers. We can't say everybody will give same answer. Okay, so brilliant, according to each child different answer will come. Brilliant children. Okay, so these are not a well defined collections. So these are not a sets. Here small in height. Oh, every children have their own opinion. That child is very small. This child is very small. You will not get a same answer. Different children name will say different children. So it is not a well-defined collection. It is not a set. Expert teachers. That also different opinion from different children. So it is not a set. Okay. Collection of rainbow colors. That a well-defined collection, because anybody you will ask, they will say 7 colors name only. That is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Okay. So this is a well-defined collection. So it is a set. Now I hope everybody understood what is set. Set meaning well-defined collection of objects. Well-defined meaning children, if you ask anybody, everybody will give same answer. Okay, brilliance, yeah, expert, yeah, too much hard working. Like that question, you can't say same answer. According to each person, different answer only they will give. So that is not a set. Otherwise, natural numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, that all over same only. So that we can say that is a set. If sun rises in the east, sun set in the west, that everybody know, that is a universal truth. That is a set. Clear? Now set means, see, curly bracket. You have to put a curly bracket each member by putting comma to separate. Okay, it is called a set. When you will take out this curly bracket, you will get elements. See, elements of the set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. These are elements. When you will put a set curly bracket, it will form a set. Understood? Here 2, 4, 6, 8 in curly bracket, it is a set. Elements which are elements 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. is elements. If in the question asking, you have to make a set, elements are these, what you have to do? You have to put a curly bracket, then it will form a set. Clear? So set notations, inside the curly bracket only 2 types notations are there. Set builder form wise you can represent a set, otherwise roster form. 2 forms are there. Roster form. Set builder form meaning that inside the set notation, the elements will be follow some rules. Yeah, formula. Some rules or formula. Like that we will represent. The representation is called set builder form. Example, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. This form is called roster form. Roster form means inside the set you will straight away you can write the elements by putting comma to separate these elements. Clear? That is roster form. Set builder form of this roster form is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can write x such that this form is called this 2 dot, that means such that x such that x is element of natural number or not, 1 to start a natural number. This number 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5. Am I right? See, x such that x is an element of natural number. Natural number 1 element is x. That x will be lie 1 and 5 in between, and 1 also including, 5 also included, because equal sign is there. You can write this roster form into set builder form. Understood or not? See, another one. See, this is a roster form. Okay, 1. How you can write a set builder form? 1. When you will write the formula or rule, that 1 should be answer. X such that x is a natural number, belongs to natural number, and this x lies between which x less than 2. Am I right? X less than 2. X is a natural number. Natural number starting from 1. Less than 2. Not equal sign. X 2 less than, which is the natural number? 1 only. Clear? Like that you can write yourself. Backside answer is there. So in this chapter I am not at all giving the notes end of the video, because backside answer is there, and your wish you have to write your own answer also. But the element will be related to your builder form rule. Okay. That only. Next. If suppose they are giving set builder form x such that x element of whole number, that x lies between 2 less than x less than or equal to 5. Whole numbers, x is a whole number, that whole number will be lies 2 and 5, and 5 include equal sign, meaning including 5 also you have to write. Here no equal sign, so you not write 2. Okay. Then which are the whole numbers? After 2, 3, 4, 5 you have to write, because equal sign is there. This is roster form, this is set builder form. Clear? This symbol is called x such that. Sometimes we are writing C like that also. This also you can obligation, you can write such that. X such that x element of W 2 less than x less than or equal to 5. Like that also you can write. Okay. Both are correct only. This type of rules here, formula. Formula 1 I will write. See, 1, 4, 9, 60. Okay, like that. How you will write this one? 1, 4, 9, 60. You know, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 60. Okay, then how you will write x such that x element of natural number and x equal to n square. X equal to n square, n less than or equal to which number? 4. X is a natural number, x natural number only. That x equal to n square. N. What is n? N less than or equal to 4. Okay. You put a n value less than or equal to 4 in natural numbers. But natural numbers n less than or equal to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 only. 1 square. 1 square is 1. 2 square, 4. 3 square, 9. 4 square. This is a formula. Okay. Like that you can use formula also. X equal to n square. N less than or equal to 4. Clear, children? You practice it, then you can understand. Exercise problem, you practice it. Equal set. Equal set meaning set members should be equal. Suppose 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. A set is 1, 2, 3. B set contain x such that x is natural number and it will be 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3. Check it. What is B set member? A set member is 1, 2, 3. B set what is? You converted to this builder form to roster form. Natural number x is natural number starting from 1 only, 1 including, because equal sign is there. In between 3, 1 and 3 and both including. Here also equal sign. 1, 2, 3. See here also 1, 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3. These set are equal set. That means element should be same. That is called a equal sets. Okay. Now equivalent set. Equivalent set. Equivalent sets meaning the number of elements inside the set should be equal. Here 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. A equal to 1, 2, 3. B equal to 5, 6, 7. Check it. Here also 3 members. Here also 3 members. 3 elements. Here also 3 elements. Here also 3 elements. So these are equivalent sets. Element. See this notation. Not all element meaning this notation. Clear? This is element. This is not an element. Okay. Suppose A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1 is an element of A. How you will write? 1 is an element of A. 2 is an element of A. 3 is an element of A. 4 also element of A. But 5 is here? No. Then how you will write? Not an element of A. 6 is not an element of A. Clear? This rotation is called a element. This is called a not element. Okay. Finite and infinite. Finite and infinite. By word you can understand. Finite meaning you can count 1, 2, 3, 4. This set is finite because you can count 1, 2, 3, 4 members only. But this set 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. you can count. Etc. meaning it is continuing. You can't count fully. So this type of set is called infinite. You can't count, that is infinite. Uncountable set infinite. Finite meaning you can count. Okay. So finite set and infinite set. This set that is called a null set. Null set meaning nothing is inside. Otherwise you can write it like this also. 5. See. The null set meaning nothing is there. Null set also finite set only. Null set also finite only. Null set one example is, see, in between x such that x is a natural number x less than 1. X such that x is a natural number, otherwise x belongs to natural number. X less than 1, natural number starting from 1 only. Less than 1, any natural number is there? No. So answer is null set. Nothing is there, that is null set. Okay. Null set also finite set only. Clear, children? Universal set meaning big set. From that set only you are taking small sets. Okay. Suppose the set of natural numbers. Set of natural numbers. That is a universal set. Why? Because from this big set only you are taking set of odd numbers, even numbers, prime numbers. Like that set you are taking from this big set. Which is set? Natural numbers. Okay. Set of integers. Set of integers. That also, children, a universal set, because you are taking this negative integers, positive integers from the set of integers only. So this is a universal set. Now another one, set of quadrilaterals. quadrilaterals. Why? Set of quadrilaterals. From quadrilateral meaning four-sided figure. Four-sided figure. Suppose you are taking square, a rectangle. These coming from the set of quadrilaterals or not? So it is a universal set. Universal set meaning from which set you are taking for making small sets. That big set we are telling universal set. Exercise 5.1. Which of the following are well-defined sets? Justify your answer. Introduction part I already discussed. Well-defined set. The collection of all colors in the rainbow. The collections. Everybody will give same answer. It is a set. Are the points that lie on a straight line. That every points that will also will give the different answer. So that also not a set. Are the honest members in the family. That also different answer. That is not a set. The collection of all consonants. That same answer will give. That is a set. The group of tall boys of the school. That also different answer. Not a set. That also different opinion. The collection of efficient doctors of the school. So that also not a set. The group of all hardworking teachers in a school. That also different opinion will come. That is not a set. I hope everybody understood. Set. Now second question, let A equal to set A, B, C, D, E, F. Set meaning curly bracket notation. Set notation is curly bracket, pair of curly brackets. Inside the members we are telling elements. That introduction part I explained. Insert an appropriate symbol, element or not an element. The symbol, element or not an element in the blank space. Okay. D, check it. D is a member. Okay, A set D is a member, so that is an element. A member that is called element. See, why it is an element? No, it is not a element. Clear? That you can understand very easily. Clear? X is an element of A. X is there? No, not an element of A. Okay. Next, like that, A set is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, B 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, C 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. You have to insert the symbol element or not an element. Okay. Here also in C section, C set you check it, 1 is an element. C set no, not an element. A set 3 is there. A set 3 is there, so element. In B set 5 is there, check it. No. So it is not an element. Clear? I hope everybody understood this one. Question number 4. Which of the following statements are true and which of them are false? Given A equal to 1, 2, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. B equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. One element of B. Check it. B set 1 is an element. B set 1 is there. No. It is a false statement. Here 5 is an element of A. A set 5 is there. Yes. So, it is a true statement. Clear? This also you can understand very easily. Now, write the set whose elements are. I told you, elements given. Then how to make a set? You have to put a curly bracket. When you will put a curly bracket, it forms a set. When you taken out this curly bracket, then it is these are elements. Clear? Suppose E, I, O, U. These are elements of a set. If you want a set, put a curly bracket. Then it is a set. If you take out this curly bracket, you will get a elements. I, O, U. These are elements. I hope everybody understood. You have to do it in book only, this exercise. Exercise 5.2. 3, 5, 6, 7, 10 questions cut off. Question number 1. Write the following set in the set builder form. In the introduction part, I already explained what is set builder form and what is roster form. Set builder meaning elements will follow some rules or some formula. set builder, you have to write like that. Roster form meaning we will write inside the set elements by putting comma in between. Clear? So first question, A equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. By seeing time, you can understand that it is even numbers less than or equal to 8. Okay, less than or equal to 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. X such that X is an even number, X less than or equal to 8. Second question, B equal to 3, 9, 27, 81. While seeing that, you can understand that this is these elements following one by one by this formula, x equal to 3 raised to n. In place of n, you put a 4, 3, 2, 1. You will get a 3, 9, 27, 81. 3 raised to 1. 3 1 time 3. 3 2 time 9. 3 3 time 27. 3 4 time 81. This formula, these elements following. Here, see 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Formula n square. Instead of n, you put a 1, 2, 3, 4 till 5 because less than 6. Till 5, you will get a 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Like that 1, 3, 5, etc. That is odd numbers. Here 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. These are non-prime numbers. Prime numbers, you know what is prime number? Prime number meaning the number will occur in one table and the number itself table only. Okay. Other numbers are, we are telling, non-prime numbers. These are non-prime numbers. F equal to, see next, F equal to minus 10, etc. till 5. That meaning in between minus 10 and 5. Minus 10 and 5, including in between those numbers are there, that only. Okay. Here 0. Whole number less than 1. Whole number starting from 0 only, less than 1, 0, 1 element only. Okay. Like that here, this set is called a null set. Nothing is there, null set. Then x is a natural number 2 less than x less than 3. In between 2 and 3, any natural number is there? No number is there like that there. So that is a null set. Nothing is there. Okay. Next, h equal to minus 5, 5. Two numbers are there. Okay. This symbol meaning such that, x such that, x is a number minus 5 and 5. Here also see, this also such that only, okay. Such that x is a non-prime number, this symbol, okay. This is set builder form, we are using this symbol. Q equal to violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. These are rainbow colors. X such that X is a color of rainbow. Clear? X such that. Obligation here is to both, we will read as such that. Now write into roster. For roster form, rules will give, you have to change this rule to element. Okay. X less than or equal to 5. Less than or equal to. That means it can be 5. It can be less than 5. It belongs to whole numbers. Introduction part, I explain what is this. Whole numbers starting from 0 till 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why 5 including? Because here equal sign also there. Okay. Next, b equal to x element of I. X such that x element of 5 minus 3 less than x less than 3. Here no equal sign. So these two numbers will not be included. Okay. Minus 2 to 2. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. In between x, in between 3 and minus 3, which are the numbers are there, that elements belongs to the set. Okay. That elements we are calling x. See set of x such that x is divisible by 12. Divisible by 12 meaning 12 table. 12 table numbers are divisible by 12 or not. Okay. Now x such that x is 3p. P element of whole numbers, P less than or equal to 3. That means it can be 3, it can be less than 3. P value you put 3, yeah, less than 3. Whole numbers starting from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3 numbers you put it in place of P, you will get the value. 1 you put 0, you put 3 into 0, 0. 3 into 1, 3. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 3, 9. Clear? Next, fifth, x such that x equal to a square, a element of natural number, 3 less than a less than 7. Here no equal sign, so in between 3 and 7 natural numbers, how many numbers are there? 4, 5, 6. You put in place of a 4, 5, 6. 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36. Clear? Now, x such that x equal to n by n plus 1. N element of natural number and n less than or equal to 4. Natural number less than or equal to 4, that it can be 4. 4, 3, 2, 1, because natural number starting from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put it in place of n. You will get 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5. See here. In place of n you put 1. 1 divided by 1 plus 1. That meaning 1 by 2. Like that n equal to 2 you put 2 divided by 2 plus 1. That is 2 by 3. Like that n equal to 3 put 3 divided by 3 plus 1. What is that one? 3 by 4. 4 you put 4 divided by 4 plus 1. That is 4 by 5. Now you can understand how getting 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5. Clear? Now g equal to x such that x element of natural number 3x minus 2 less than 5. 3x minus 2 less than 5. X is natural number, belongs to natural numbers. 3x minus 2 less than 5. That means you put a natural number here. In place of x you put natural numbers. That then this statement should be correct. Like that numbers, which are the numbers. First natural number starting from 1. So I am putting 1 first in place of x. Is it correct? 3 minus 2 less than 5. Correct only. 1 less than 5. Okay. Then x equal to 1. That is correct only. Now we will put x equal to 2. We will check it. 3 into 2 minus 2 less than 5. 6 minus 2 less than 5. 4 less than 5. This also correct. So x equal to 2 also correct. X equal to 2 also correct. Now we will put x equal to 3. We will check it. 3 into 3 minus 2 less than 5. 9 minus 2 less than 5. 7 less than 5. Is it correct? No. Okay. Then two values only you can give. That is which one? X 1 and 2. Clear? So here see 1 and 2. X such that x element of natural number x square less than 16. X square less than 16. That means one number square should be less than 16. Which are the numbers square are less than 16? 1 square less than 16. 2 square is 4. That also less than 16. 3 square is 9. That also less than. But 4 square is 16. That is not a less than 16. Okay, 16 is not less than 16. 16 equal to 16. You want less than 16. So, the x are, which are x 1, 2, 3. Now, x such that x is a prime number, which is a divisor of 42. Prime number, that number should be a prime number. That should be divided by 42. It can be divided by 42. Which are the numbers? 2 is a prime number. 42 divided by 2, you can divide, okay, completely. Okay, 7 also a prime number, you can divide 42, 7 completely. So, 2, 3, 7 is the answer. Okay, next, x such that x is a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digit is 5. 2-digit natural numbers. When you add this 2 digit, you will get a 5 as answer. See here, which are the numbers? 1 and 14, 2-digit number. You add it 4 plus 1, 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 0 is 5. X such that x is a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digit is 5. 2-digit number, when you will add this 2 digit, you have to get the sum is 5. Clear? 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 2 is 5, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 0 is 5. Like that number you have to choose. Any other number is there? No. These numbers only 2-digit number. When you will add digit, you will get a sum is 5. Clear? Now question number 4. Classify as finite and infinite set. Introduction part I explained what is finite and what is infinite. That you can understand. I hope everybody understood that concept. Finite meaning where you can understand. Finite meaning you can count easily. Finite only, countable only that element. Infinite meaning the inside that set elements you can't count. Uncountable numbers, elements. Clear? This set of days in a week that you can count or not. It is a set. It is a finite set. Okay. See, x such that x element of natural number x greater than 1. X greater than 1. 1 greater than 1. How many natural numbers you can count? No. So many. You can't count. X such that x is an even prime number. You can count out. Yes, even prime number, one number only 2. So that is a finite set. X such that x is a multiple of 5. Infinite set. Multiple of 5, it will be continue. Okay. X is a factor of 30. That also finite. You can count factors of 30. 30 factors. Now x is element of integers. X less than minus 1. Infinite set. You can't count out. Okay. Infinite set. Minus 1 greater than minus 1. How many numbers? That uncountable only. Okay. Infinite set. Now next. The set of all letters in the English are that finite set. You can count. The set of all real numbers, that is infinite. Real numbers meaning all type of numbers. Rational number, irrational number, decimal number. All type of numbers, that also you can't count over, that is infinite set. Question number 8. Are the following pairs of set equal? Equal set, that also introduction part I explained. Equal meaning both set elements should be same. Same element should be. Then we can say that two sets are equal. A equal to 2. B, x such that x is natural number, x is an even prime number. Even prime number, one number only, that is 2 only. So here also 2, here also you can convert into roster form, here also 2 only. So these two are equal sets. In the book you can write, okay. Here 1, 4, 9. Next, q equal to x such that x equal to n square, n element of natural number, n less than or equal to 3. Check it. N square, natural number starting from 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, because equal sign is there. 1, 2, 3 numbers. N is 1, 2, 3. You put it in place of 1, 2, 3. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. Both set are equal. So these two sets are equal set. Here all numbers x less than 5. All numbers starting from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3 till 4 only. Because here not equal sign. You check it. This set same will come. X such that x is natural number starting from 1 only, less than or equal to 5. Then it includes 5 also, because equal set. Both the set equal. No, one member here also different, here also different. It is not an equal set. Clear? M equal to A, B, C, D, N equal to P, Q, R, S. See, both are different. It is not an equal set. Different elements. Here x is a multiple of 30, x is a factor of 10. Different. Multiple of 30 meaning 30 tables. Factors of 10 meaning which are the factors? 2, 5, 10. These are the factors of 10. Both are different. So it is not a equal set. Now next is equivalent. Equivalent set. Equivalent. Valent meaning valency, number. Equivalency meaning equal number of elements. We are not at all checking same element or not, but number of elements should be same in both sets. Then we can say equivalent. Valency meaning number of elements. Equivalent set. Here 3 members, here 2 members. Note equivalent sets. Here 3 members, here also 3 members. Equivalent set. Now here prime numbers less than 10. Prime numbers less than 10, which are they? 2, 3, 5, 7. These are the prime numbers. Okay. Less than 10. Here natural number less than 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because here equal sign. How many members? 4. Here also 4 members. So equivalent sets. X such that x equal to 2n plus 3. N less than 4. N element of natural numbers. X equal to 2n plus 3. N less than 4. Less than 4 natural numbers, which are they? 1, 2, 3. 2n plus 3. N less than 4 meaning 1, 2, 3. Because 4 is not in equal sign is not there. You put it in place of n 1, 2, 3. 2 into 1 plus 3. Okay. Then 2 plus 3 is 5. Like that in place of n 2 put 2 are 4 plus 3 7. 3 you put 3 2 6 plus 3 9. 5 7 9 set. Here which are the set? N element of real numbers, n less than or equal to 4. N less than or if so many real numbers are there, we can't count. So these two sets are different sets. Okay, not same number of elements. So next, a letter of word God. God, G-O-D. Inside the set small letter only you have to use. Okay, not to use big letters. Here 3, here also 3, equivalent set. Here a letters of word mathematics. Inside the set small letter and one letter not repeat again. Okay. So M, A, T, H, E, then M again coming, A again coming, T again coming, I, C, S. Check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here x such that x is a natural number less than 9. That also 8 only. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 less than 9. 9 not only 8 members. So it is equivalent set. I hope everybody understood. What universal set would you propose for the following? Universal set also I explained in the introduction part. The set of all squares. That means squares. Which set you can take so that squares, full squares will come in that set. 4 squares meaning 4-sided figure. 4-sided figure that we are calling quadrilateral. Okay, quadrilateral set squares are coming. So universal set is quadrilateral. X such that x is a quadrilateral. The set of all even numbers. Even numbers, natural number. In the natural number only even numbers and odd numbers coming. Okay. Then x such that x is a natural number. That is the universal set. The set of all isosceles triangle, isosceles, equilateral, everything will come in triangle set, universal set. X such that x is a triangle. The set of all negative integers, that integers set only the negative integers, positive integers group. Okay. Now the set of all prime numbers also in natural numbers being only, in the natural numbers only prime numbers, odd numbers, even numbers coming. The set of all obtuse angled triangle, that is triangle. In triangle we are getting obtuse, acute, right angle, all type of triangles. Yes, universal meaning big set. From that big set only you are getting that small set. Okay. I hope everybody understood. Very small chapter only. Exercises are also very small.